thought he was locked away.
Please let him out! Everyone,
Go back to where you came from. You're a thief trash.
no one likes you! You're a thief! You're not afraid of me?
You saved Yaya from that guy.
It's my birthday! No crying allowed! Dad? Mom? Thank you.